Hey everybody, I don't do these lives that often, but I was here at Home Depot and I'm working on redoing part of my garden. A lot of you guys know I'm building that greenhouse and I'm redoing the upper level that I have going around. So I used some thin, what do you call it? I used some thin fence planking. And awesome tip, I didn't want to share it on my story. I didn't want to do a post. I wanted to make sure everybody had the opportunity to hear this. Right there, I got a bunch of wood. Blue. That means it's 70% off. Now, I don't like to use treated wood in my garden bed. I try to grow as organic as possible. So I use regular wood. We all know regular wood will rot and deteriorate way faster than all that other treated wood. So instead of going out and spending $5 a 2x4, I always look for the 2x4 that's blue. So check it out. I spent, right here, I don't know if you can see my receipt here, $86.26. I have $272 worth of wood in here. It only cost me $86 after tax. I picked up 12 foot 2x4s. And I just asked them to cut it in half for me so I could fit it in the van here. I also picked up a couple other pieces of wood they had. They had some 2x6s. It's all untreated, regular wood. Now that means though, within a couple years, I'm going to have to replace it. But at the price of regular wood, in my mind, it's a no-brainer to buy the untreated wood. For the price, 70% off. Make sure you have it. Every Home Depot that I've ever been to, they have a cart with 70% off wood. And they'll cut it for you if you can't fit it in your car. So, awesome tip. If you want to redo your garden, buy untreated wood at the 70% off, the blue wood. Like I said, $272 worth of wood. I bought it for $86 after tax. Here's my receipt. Awesome tip. Like I said, I needed this. I want to make sure everybody can see this tip. That's why I didn't share it on my stories. If you guys don't know, I do post a lot daily on my stories as well. Go check them out. Just random stuff. A lot of stuff that I'm doing within my garden. Just random tips, talking in general. So yeah, also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a YouTube channel as well. I'm trying to grow that. I'd appreciate it if you guys went over there. Go search for Matt the Garden Guy on YouTube. And just subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. You can also go there too to see all my videos. Same videos I have on Instagram and Facebook, but they're in a little bit, I think they're in a better searchable order. So yeah, go check out my YouTube channel, Matt the Garden Guy. Hey, and until next time, guys, keep growing, and I'll talk to you later.